Hello and welcome to another episode of Kajabi in 5 minutes. Today we are going to be talking about emails and how your emails can be better. So that's awesome. Now, I have heard from a number of people that they don't like Kajabi emails because they don't look good. And those people usually always use Flowdesk. And Flowdesk honestly just makes really beautiful emails. That's kind of what they do. So I kind of agree when they say that. But there are ways to make your emails in Kajabi look awesome as well, and to make them easy and to make them really good. And so, first of all, if you are a Flowdesk user, Flowdesk gives you, and you know this, a very awesome graphical editor right in the email. And they're pretty unique. I don't actually know of another platform that does that. It's almost like having a mini Canva just right in your email editor, which is pretty cool. And so they make you can make really beautiful emails really easily that way. Now, Kajabi and honestly, all of the other email platforms that I know of, they don't do that. They don't have like a graphical editor in the email thing. So if you want to, change the words on one of those really cool templates that Kajabi shows you when you go into the email broadcast area, you can't actually change the words on those pictures because those are pictures that have been uploaded, into the email, made somewhere else. And so that can be frustrating because when you go to Kajabi, you hit emails, email campaigns, new campaign, choose a broadcast. It shows up all these cool templates. You're like, wow, these look awesome. But none of those awesome templates are actually things that you can and keep the awesomeness. Those are really just like ideas or inspiration. And so what I recommend is, well, actually on a side note, I recommend keeping your emails simple because that's just, well, it's my way of that's what I like. But I've also heard that, simple emails are on average more widely well received by people. Of course, you can't apply general, observations to everyone. So, what I recommend doing is starting with an empty email, using the simple text email as the base, and then going into it and making it designed to you, branding it, putting, your things in it. If you have like a really cool signature, PNG file, then put that in. If you like having your social links at the bottom, put those in. If you like borders or dividers or, a top image, do all of that stuff. Make it look really cool and really nice, and as like a template for you. And then save it as a template. So that's something that is really important to know. And if you didn't know that, you're welcome. Your life is now so much easier in Kajabi. For emails, save that once you've got it done, all of your settings, save it as a template. And then whenever you come back to write an email, you can just use that template. And all of your saved templates are at the top of the page on the template area when you are choosing what template to use. And so you no longer have to, copy one of your past emails, duplicate one of your past emails, and then erase stuff and word it and whatnot and change the audience. You can just do new email, choosing your template, and so much of your work will be saved because it'll just be very much you already in that email. And all you have to do is type out the content. And if you've got a few different kinds of emails, then save a few different kinds of templates so that each of them kind of match what you want. And your life with emails will be so much easier. And so that is what I recommend doing. Taking the time to design something that looks really nice, that you can save as a template and then use over and over without having to spend the time to make it look nice again. And if you really like having more design into your template, into your emails, then you are going to need to make those graphics in somewhere else like Canva and then be able to put them into your email, uploading as images. You can definitely do that to make as much funk in your email as you want.